right, today is day 4. We are going to work on some fossils. Dinosaur bones.
Indeed.
We're going to put them back together. All right, so you actually have 2 sides. What is this one? 1, 2, 3. We talked about this. What do you think?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. And then on the other side, we have our T-Rex. Look at those little arms. Also called
Tyrannosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus. All right, so you can pick which side you want to work with first. Couple ways you can do this. You have a bag of bones, aka fossils, aka noodles for our project.
That's right.
You also have your dry erase marker. You can always just go and outline this and see if you can stay in the lines and color it in. That is perfectly fine. What your job is, you are gonna put your dinosaur together, okay? Put all of these bone fossils that you found and put it together the way you see fit. So you should have a bunch of different types of bones, noodles, and then you can figure out what shapes look like which pieces and kind of put them on there. I think this head looks kind of big and bulky, so I'm going to use these. You think that looks good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I like these little ones for the toes. The little claws. I shouldn't say toes. Those were some big claws.
Yes, yep.
Let's see. Get some more of these little ones. Be creative. I mean, that could almost work, but look at how many edges it has.
Yeah.
These could work, but they're kind of big. But you could. I'm going to use these tiny, tiny ones. Ooh. All right. Let's see what else we got. All right. We have some big horns here. And let me see what I'm going to use for this little one. Kind of like looks like that.
Almost looks over,
bit.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. I think I need a jaw. And I think I need a couple more big ones for...
Complete that skull there. He's got a really big head.
Yeah, he does.
There you go.
All right, so I need something for... These kind of look like the tail. I wish they were a little bit smaller, but maybe I can twist them a little bit. Make them like that. And then we have some big bones here. The rib cage. Oh, that one's small. I'm going to move that one. All right. We got some big bones in our legs. What do you think?
There you go.
Maybe I can find a smaller one, make that connect. And you guys don't have to use the exact same ones I'm using.
Nope.
But try to make it make sense. Like I showed you. I'm gonna use another one of these squirrely ones. What do you think? Oh, I think I'm missing a bone there.
Yep. Missing a leg bone.
I need a smaller one.
There we go.
Move that guy up. There you go.
All right, not bad.
That's pretty good.
Not bad.
You could also use the big bow ties for this one.
That's right.
Here. That would make sense. I could see that. I could see that too.
Yep.
All right. Once you have it laid out, you can do a little counting, sorting, and counting. All right. See how many little tiny noodles you used. See how many squirrely noodles you used. See how many flat long noodles you used, how many bow ties, and how many shells, okay? That is something you can do. You can pull them off once you have them, just to count them and put them together, all right? But make sure you do this just to see, sort them out and count them, okay? See what you use. And you can do this over and over using different shapes, different pastas. And then when you are done with the Triceratops, flip your board over, try it again. See what you can come up with for your T-Rex. Remember, we got little tiny ones up here.
That's right.
Little tiny ones that kind of curl. Okay? So use what looks very similar. Miss Krista can't even pull them apart.
Because they're so small. There you go.
You know? Look at those bones. Look how big those are. It's so crazy. But this tail, this one really looks like that.
Yep.
The little spirals. And if you can get them to go smaller and smaller and smaller, that'd look kind of cool. One thing, look at this one. This one has these big teeth showing.
And they're sharp.
Yeah.
Sharp
So
teeth.
you can use the little noodles to make your teeth too. All right. I'm not going to redo all of this one. You guys understand what you were doing. Again, once you have it complete, try to sort them, count them. Okay. And again, you can use your dry erase marker as well to kind of trace the lines, draw it in. You can even write your numbers on there too. All right, you guys, that is all I have. Have fun. Bye.